Hey, I'm Andy Aledort. In this edition of In Deep, we're going to continue our look at two-string sequences. In the previous lesson, we talked about staying on the top two strings, and we moved all the way from up here, all the way down to the end of the board. So let's now move over to the B and the G string, and we're going to use the same concept, same approach. We're going to try to come up with licks that stay on those two strings, and forcing yourself to do that makes you change your decisions and make different decisions about the melodic sounds and choices and notes to end on, and how to create different phrases than what your fingers might be used to doing. All right, so if we have the blues scale here, we can connect it to this position here, which is sort of the BB box. It's not the straight blues scale. So a lick utilizing that idea could be something like this. So by staying here, I just get some other choices. It's cool. You know, that's a nice whole step bend there. And I'm snapping it to get a little different feel of it. All right, here's another lick utilizing the same thing. So I stayed up here a little longer. And then you hear Eric Clapton do stuff like this in Cream and in the Blues Breakers all the time. He'll take an idea and then he'll elaborate on it, develop it. So you get theme, development, melody, all the stuff you need for a good guitar solo. If we start lower on the neck, we could play something like this. So I'm just moving up that G string. You hear Eric Clapton do that on the studio version of I'm So Glad, and Buddy Guy does it on Same Thing, Muddy Waters tune. In this last lick, we're going to move over to the G and the D string, and I'm going to use the same type of movement to go down from this position all the way down the neck. So that's kind of a neat thing. And then I just move that idea within diatonic position of E minor pentatonic. Again. And then just finish it off.